Eruto la sedia.
I broke the chair. Yo, what's up guys? It's Kenji here. So today we are going to
Unbox the silver play button. From Rose.
I think it's broken.
Game. 3, 2, 1. Ako na. Ay,
Yo!
let's do the 200k million. Ayan, gano'n. Okay.
Go! Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. So finally we reached 100k subscribers. So I want to say thank you guys, Kenji Official Fan Club, for this cake. I love it. I want to say thanks for my friends because they surprised me. Ano yun? Kagulaw!
A few moments later.
Low blood?
Sappilo kenjidecastro. Kenji. Io tutte le telecamere. Appena fare 100k facciamo tutti a subscribe.
One eternity later.
Eruto la sedia.
I broke the chair. Yo, what's up guys? It's Kenji here. So today we are going to unbox the 100k subscribers YouTube silver play button. Drum rolls. It's inside this black box and I'm so excited about this. Let's do it. Let's open it. Okay, it's time to open it. I need a knife. Okay, it's time to open it. I need something to open it. I need a knife. Okay, it's time to open it. Now I need a knife. I need a knife. I need a knife. It's time to open it. I need a knife. Let's do this. I think you have to open like this. Yeah. Ooh. Let's start. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm so excited about this.
C'è scritto il cognome.
Si vede?
Qui c'è scritto il castro.
De Castro, I didn't see it. Yeah, it's De Castro. It's me. Whoa! A foam! A black foam! What the heck?
A paper.
Oh, okay. Whoa! I love this paper.
Guarda, tocca.
Oh, it's from YouTube. You can see the YouTube logo. Let's read it. Okay, I'll try to read it. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations. Congratulations on these amazing milestones, just one of the many that we hope will follow in the future. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan? Susan? Huh? Susan? Susan, CEO of YouTube. Okay. I think every YouTuber has their own personal letter YouTube dedication. Yeah. Because I also got this. What is this? Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We're honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. Yeah. Okay, so thank you for the foam. Thank you for the black foam. Thank you for this letter. And also this other paper. And oh shoot. This is so exciting. Okay, so this is actually so reflecting. Whoa. I see myself. It's like a mirror. Okay, this is it. This is my silver play button. See, diba? You can see your face too. Thank you. So this is fucking cool. This is pretty cool. I love it. I really love it. Thank you. Okay. Presented to kenjidecastro for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. I can see myself now. This is actually a mirror. I can see myself here. Hey guys, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for this beautiful, cool, pretty cool creator award. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for keep supporting me. Keep watching my videos. I love you. I love you guys. This is for you. This is for you. So we also reached 100k subscribers on my Facebook page. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page and also on TikTok and Instagram. Thank you. Now I'm going to react to this beautiful video. It's made by KDC Fan Club. So let's watch it. Hello guys, I'm Kenji and I decided to
This is my first video
for 52
that I made
I have never done before.
in January.
Flowers dalla voce di kenjidecastro.
I can do magic. Juggling.
What am I doing? Hi.
I got lost. I'm going to donate some food. I'm gonna take my horse
To the old town road.
So see you next.
I was in Venice there.
Hey guys, so we have just arrived here in Venice.
That's James. That dude was hilarious.
I'm addicted. Renegade, renegade. Then you went like, I'm going under.
Renegade, renegade. No.
This is how you do
I can't dance.
Hey, where are you from?
From Italy. You don't need no passions. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
If I didn't have a boyfriend.
Hi. I just want to let
This is
you
a
know
Milan.
that
In Milan.
you are beautiful people.
Kaya mo sa bawat saglit.
On the boat.
Putting me in the video, I even left the comment.
Oh, this guy.
Yo.
It really hurts.
Happy 100k subscriber, Kuya Kenji.
Hello, Kuya Kenji. Happy 100,000 subscribers.
We are so proud of you and we are so happy that you made that milestone.
We are always here to support you. We love you. Keep safe and God bless.
Asil.
Hello, Kuya Kenji. I just want to congratulate you for hitting 100k subscribers.
So sweet.
Congratulations for having 100,000 subscribers.
Happy 100 subscribers. Sana matupad pa yung mga dreams mo and keep safe.
Hi Kuya Kenji, congratulations.
So, we're always here to support you. God bless and keep safe always.
Hello Kuya Kenji, I'm one of your fans po and gusto ko lang po i-congratulate na meron ka na pong 100k subscriber.
Happy 100,000 subscriber.
Yeah.
Again, still counting. I love you.
Happy 100,000 subscribers. Stay humble, funny doing our crafts.
Hi, Kuya Kenji! Happy 100,000 subscribers! Congratulations!
Hi Kenji, happy 100k subscriber. We are so proud of you.
As your fan, we are so proud of you. Keep it up!
Hi Kuya Kenjidecastro, I just want to say congratulations for reaching 100k subscriber. Alam mo yun, silver play button is waving at you. As a member of Kenjidecastro Official Fans Club, I just want to say thank you for loving and inspiring us through your videos and those challenges para ma-improve namin yung sarili namin. And I also want to say na we love you so much and we will support you through your ups and downs. Even the world will go against you, nandun pa rin kami para supportahan ka and hindi yun magbabago. We love you, Kuya Kenji. God bless.
Hi, Kuya Ken! Happy 100k subscriber. Congratulations. We always here to support you. I hope I see you soon. Bye! Pa-shoutout po baka naman.
Hey guys, congratulations to Kuya Kens for reaching 100k subscribers.
Sir, awesome.
Soon, 1 million na yan. So keep it up, keep inspiring us.
Hi Kenji, congratulations for 100k subscribers and we are so proud of you and see you soon. God bless and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
And remember, your fans here from the Philippines are always on your back.
Hi,
More
Kuya
power.
Kenji, and gusto ko na batiin ng happy birthday ng happy 100k subscribers and lahat kami proud sa'yo and happy and alam yun, this is my first time na maging isang fan and ikaw yun, Kuya Kenji, and ayun, road to 200k, yes.
Yeah.
And ayun,
Road to
we're all
100.
happy sa na-achieve mo. Keep safe and keep it up. Thank you sa pagpapasaya sa amin.
Hey Kenji, congratulations for reaching 100k subscribers on YouTube. Keep inspiring your fans through your vlogs and always remember that your KDC fam is always here to support you. See you soon!
Happy 100k subscribers, congratulations!
Ciao Ninong Kenji, auguri per i tuoi 100.000 iscritti su YouTube e alla fine ce l'hai fatta. Good job!
Good job.
Okay. Kuya Kenneth, congratulations for reaching the 100,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Yeah, I love that video. Thank you. I really want to thank my fans, KDC fam, and Jack for creating this beautiful community. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. You're so sweet. Thanks for the love. Love you.